Hello everyone, this is VoltsDev, and welcome back to the channel, I guess. The reason why I've been gone for so long, I was thinking about coming back like within like, I don't know, 2 weeks ago or something, but the reason why I hadn't made like another video is because I just couldn't do like another tutorial on like Unity or something because of one, the quality, I just didn't like the quality, and two, the fact that I just couldn't record Unity tutorials with how my computer was. I had to wait until I had like a better PC, and guess what everyone? I have now got a better PC. I would show you what my PC would look like, but it's a desktop PC with a very good graphics card and a good-ish processor, and it's also got 8GB of RAM, so I'm good with that. But yeah, the graphics card is like GeForce GTX 1650 and the processor is Intel i3 9th Gen, so yeah. Now I have not actually touched Unity in ages, nor have I touched Unreal Engine in ages. And plus I'm able to actually record Unreal Engine and Unity with OBS. So that's what I'm gonna do in the next video. I am going to record myself trying to remember how to make a game in Unity, because I got the idea from Lixian. If you don't know who Lixian is, he is an editor for Markiplier. He edits his videos, but he's also a game developer of sorts. He doesn't make that many games. He doesn't make many games actually. He just participates in game jams, and he just live streams himself like making a game and stuff, and it just gave me an idea that I could maybe record myself trying to remember how to make a game. If that's fun for you, then cool. If it's not, then bleh. I just wanted to make this video to say that I am back. I mean, I don't know if I can do daily uploads, but I can tell you for certain that I am back, and I will do my best to, you know, provide Unity tutorials once I actually, you know, remember how to do them. Alongside with Unity, I can now use their latest Unity program, which is the 29th. Well, actually, the latest one is 2020, isn't it? And I kind of got 2019. But I can also use the latest Visual Studio now, because, you know, fast computer and stuff. But also, they've now got a visual scripting service called Bolt, and previously that had a price on it, but now it's free, and I now have it on my account, so I can just install it onto Unity whenever I want. So what we can do, or what I can do in a video, is I can actually try out Bolt, because I haven't tried out Bolt myself. I've seen a couple of tutorials using Bolt, but I've never actually used Bolt myself, so it's gonna be kind of interesting to see how that goes for me. See, anyway guys, thanks for watching my comeback video. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. So thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you guys in my next Unity video. Yeah. Goodbye everyone.